Hello guys, this is Teachers Binary Options channel. Today I'm going to share with you a review on expert option. I'm also going to share with you my strategy for trading live. I'm going to make a live deposit in front of you. So if you want to check the full review for expert option, I'll put the link below in the video. You can simply go to my website and check the full review for expert option. So this is what you see. This is expect option. You can know about the minimum deposit and also their address, the contact details, and a lot of stuff that you can check there. So you notice on my recommended deposit I put 250. I'll explain in a moment. So expect option is regulated by Financial Market Relations Regulation Center. You can also check their certificates for regulation here. You can also ask questions if you have any questions. So with that being said, I can close this. So let's go to the why is this one still loading? Anyway, if you check the trade journal for expert option, here there's nothing because I have not traded yet. And if you check here, the balance is 0. So I'm going to pause the video and make a live deposit. As you can see, today's date, it's today's date. Let's check today's date here. Okay, today it's Friday, 7 July 2017. So with that being said, we know that now this time is correct and the date is correct. I decided to use the online one so that you guys can see that there's no manipulation or anything. I'm going to make a live deposit today and it should show also in my journal. I was talking to the expert option team. Guys, if you want to make sure that you'll be able to withdraw your money from expert option, you should make sure before you place any trade, get your account verified. I'll also give you the link in the description below, or you can just register from my site. You can check after reading the review. You can check down, there's also a link for the demo account. You can also just visit the site. You can get another demo here, or you can register from here. You can also use this one to register. There's a lot of things that you can get from my site about expert option. So I was talking to the support. They say you cannot withdraw money once you deposit. You cannot withdraw until you verify your account. So to make sure you won't run into problems, make sure when you deposit you verify the account, because you can't also verify the account before you deposit. With the expert option, they expect you to deposit first. That is one drawback that I saw. So I think with that being said, guys, I'll just try to, let me see if I can pause the video so that I make a transfer, and then I'll come back when the transfer is there so that I show you everything. So as you can see, guys, in my Skrill account I have about 3.5 US dollars, and that is somewhere around 35,000 in South Africa. So I'm quickly going to make the payment. I received this money yesterday from StockPay. So let's just successful payment. All right, so now that we know that the account is fully paid, you can actually see here we just received the payment. Okay guys, the account has been verified same day. As you can see on the right bottom corner, now it's around 7:30 p.m. my account got verified, I think around 5, and that was very quick. I'm going to take some few trades now live. You can see the account. I opened the silver account with $500. So when I reach 300 profit, I will make a withdrawal and I'll show you the proof. So This is my first trade. I've placed the put. It's about 15 seconds left. I'm in the money. Still going down, deep in the money. About 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's going up now. What happened? Yes, that was a win. So as you can see, guys, here I would like to make a, this was a win, so I now have $4 profit. And what I want to do, I want to use a money management. Since the account is very small, I can't make a lot of money from here, but my other expect option account, it has a lot of money. So this one I just decided to put 500 because a lot of you guys can afford to put around 500 or 250. This looks like a losing trade. Does it jump too much? It's coming back. About the time, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this one was so close, guys, but anyway I lost. So let's check. So for my strategy to be so effective, I wait when the time, you see on the time there, when it's about 5 seconds left, I take the trade. So the trade will be like around 30 something seconds, about 30 to 40. Okay, this one looks like it's going to win. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this was a win, guys. So I could pick some the loss. So here what I want to do now, I want to use a money management strategy. So the best way to do this, I'll explain as I'm trading. Since the account is very small, I want to make quick cash. So what I'm going to do right now, you see the profit is $3. So I've placed the trade for $3 now. I mean, I'll place the trade for $3. I'm still waiting for the setup so that I can take the trade. So about 5 seconds, 6 seconds left. I take the trade now. This was the $3 so that I don't lose my money. I want to use the profit that I'm getting to multiply itself. There are so many money management strategies that you can use. With this one, if I win this trade, it means I'll be having like 5, as you can see, the profit will be like $5.49. Okay, this was a loss. So I have to go back to $5. You can see I still have a 30 cents profit. So I've placed the $5 trade. So if I win this one, I'll be having at least check it out. Okay, I'll be having $9.10. This was a win. So you can see I've won 2 trades, I think, and also lost 2. But you see, I'm in profit, eh? This is just money management. It's taking place. So now I will put a $4. I'm hoping that this one wins, so that I show you the next phase of what I want to do. So the money management strategy. Because if I win this one, I'll be having $7.28. The price is going up. So I'm trading Ethereum. This is very high volatile, like, so this was a win. You can see now I'm sitting at $7. So now I don't want to lose the profit, so I'm going to reduce it. I'll put it $2 because I want to use Martingale as well as my. I want to use Martingale in this other strategy that I'm using for money management. If I lose this one, I'll still have like the $5 profit that I'll use to do my Martingale. So I know it doesn't look like it's a lot of money. I don't want to put a lot of big trades because the money that I deposited is very little. It's 500. So I can't be placing trades of $5. It's even more risky. It's even too much for such an account. I can only place $5 when I'm doing the Martingale. And I think the highest that I can place here will be $10. So I want this one now. You see the profit is building up. I have a $9 now. So I'll go to $3. So another thing you guys might be wondering, why am I taking the trades? I have 2 separate screens. The other one is having my indicators, and the other one is, this is the one I'm recording where I'm trading. This was so close. I don't know why it just got stuck there. This was so close. So I was saying I have 2 separate screens. I'm actually checking on the other screen to see what happened on this one. Okay, it was just, as you can see, it's a 243.859, of which the other one was a 243, the closing 0.86, just 1 pip. So okay, trying to see if the price is the same with the other screen that I have, the computer that I have. So this is how I also check, like, if the platform is being manipulated. I'll be having 2 platforms, like the one I'm recording this side and the one with the indicator the other side. I'm also taking the other trades that side with my other life account, so I'll see how different it is on the opening prices, the closing. I'm still waiting for the setup. So expect option is very easy to make money with. As you can see, this might be a nice setup coming. So since I lost that one, I'm going to put a $6 on the next one. You can also add other indicators with this. I like expect option because they also have the signals that you can follow in your trading, and it's actually very reasonable. The accuracy is it's okay, it's very good. So this one I'll just take the $6, the profit, to see if I can recap and get my loss and a small profit on top. Setup for me. So you just have to wait, and only when the candle is about 10 seconds or between 5 and 10, and you place your trade, so that when it closes, it opens another one for 30 seconds. The price is moving too much. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, that was a win. You can see it's a $10 profit. And if you can check there on the balance, I'm sitting at 511. So I'm going back to my $2 now. So you can only do the math. Since I'm placing the $2 trades, if it was a big account, I'll be having $100 profit by now. Because you just say times 10. If I was placing a $20 trade, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, that was another win. You see now I'm sitting at $12.96. So this is a very nice platform. So you can also turn on the experts so that you see when the other experts are trading and you can follow their trades. So it's another simple win. So if you want the strategy that I'm using, I can give you the PDF with the settings that I'm using, so that when I'm taking the trades, I'm checking on the other computer where I've put my indicators there. I'll put the parameters. I'll give you everything with the parameters. Just email me. I've put my email address on the screen. And if you're one of my followers, if you already have some of my strategies, you can also simply email me again. I'll send you this PDF with all the parameters for trading with the expert option. I'll also put a link for expert option where you can register in the description link in the description below, so that you can register and trade on a demo. In fact, there's no need to register. You can actually just trade on a without even putting an email. This is a nice setup for me now. I failed to enter the trade. This is another nice setup. So I'm going to place a put, because my indicators are telling me that it's a put. Keeps on going up. About 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this was another simple winning trade. So once you get the parameters that I'm using, you can register a demo account, you trade. If you're happy with your results, then you can make a deposit and trade live. However, I highly recommend that you, instead of wasting money, wasting time trading on the demo account, just go to your live account. You can practice with the small amounts, placing $1, $2, like what I'm doing now. You can actually make some money while you're learning. So you can see now I have $17. And this is just less than 20 minutes of trading. I think it's actually 22 minutes. So you can see it's very easy to make money in binary options. It's another trade. I couldn't enter in time. So trading binary options is also very exciting, and it's especially the 60 seconds is very exciting and nice. Is another setup, but incomplete. I'm still waiting for a setup. Because I'm not just taking random trades. The indicators are telling me to wait. I'll only take the trade when I'm sure that I'm going to win. This looks like it's going to be a nice setup, the one forming now. So I'm going to place a put now. It's going up, but I'm not worried because there's still plenty of time. Anything can happen. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this was so close, but I lost the trade. So I'm going to use my martingale strategy, and I have to remind you I'm using the profit here. I haven't touched my 500. I'm trading from the profit, so I can afford to lose even this one and go for the next martingale using the profit. You just have to make sure that you win the first trades. You build up a small profit so that you use it for trading and for doing your martingale. This looks like a winning trade. 1-0. Yes, this was another simple win. So I'm going to go back and use my $3, so that if I lose a 3, I'll put a 5, and if I lose a 5, I know what to do. So another thing that you guys should know is when to get out of the trades, like when to stop trading after you've made some profit. So that you avoid making losses or losing the profit that you have already made. Because just 2 or 3 simple mistakes can actually cost your account. This is another setup that is forming. You can also see on the sentimental tool, it's saying 93% are saying it's going to go down. 95% are saying it's going to go down. This is another additional confirmation that you can use when you're trading, especially the expert option. It updates in real time. So again, if you want the strategy that I'm using to trade here, if you want to know the parameters of the indicators that I'm using, you can email me. And guys, don't forget to like the video. If you ever feel like the video was useful, you can give me a like, guys. Okay, so now you can see, guys, already have $21.50. This is profit, pure profit. So this is the continuation. We are going to check the date for today. As you can see, it's Saturday, it's July 8th. I just want to update you on the balance because I ended up not recording. So I just want to show you the balance by 8th July. I didn't take any trades yet today. You can actually see here now I'm sitting at 530. So I've made $30 yesterday just for the few minutes I was trading. I was actually trading less than 30 minutes. So if you can check, let's say I was putting the trades like normally on my other, like the real accounts that I use, I place $500 trades. You can just imagine if I was placing $500 trades or $200 trades, I'll be sitting at 3,000. So I'm not going to take any trades, but I'll come back and show you the day, maybe on 3 days from now. I want to show you the balance for this account. So I'll quickly let me pause the video. We'll resume later. After 3 days, I'll show you the balance. Okay guys, this is the continuation for our live trading. I just want to check today's date. Okay, you can see now it's Tuesday 11th July. So what I want to show you guys, I promised you that I'm going to make a withdrawal if I make $300. So let me see. Let me just pause the video so that I can log into my Skrill account. Okay guys, this is my Skrill account. So if you check here, you can see it's written expert option, and the money that I received was $300. You can actually see the transaction ID and the sender's email ID. It's expertoption.com. So you can actually see that I actually made money. Like I said in the beginning of the video, that when I make the 300 profit, I'll withdraw the profits. And this video is actually to show you that expert option is one of the best brokers. I sent my request. I received you can check the date here. The money was received yesterday. I sent the request on I think it should be Sunday, because this is what 10. Yeah, the request was made on Sunday, and I actually got it. I can say I got it the same day, was the Monday is the working day. That was 10, and I got my money, my profit 300. So while these were there, if you remember very well, our initial deposit was sent on 7. This is our initial deposit. You can see it here. It's actually 500, the one we deposited into our account. So now if you check, if you go to what do you call, okay, this is another money that I received. This is, I got it from StockPay. This was $375. So you can actually see that, guys, there's a lot of money that I'm making from binary options. And if you want to learn my strategies, you can simply email me, and then we take it from there. So let me just pause the video again so that I can show you the balance now, after making some few trades that I did. I'll just pause the video. All right. Okay, we are back. So you can see now even my account was updated to be a VIP. I requested, since I'm already above 2000. I actually have 2025 the 2025 cents. This is US dollars. So let me see if I can get any opportunity to make one quick trade, because I don't want to waste time on this. Let's see if there will be any opportunity to make the trade. Okay, I've placed the put. I hope to win this trade, guys. So you can see this is real money. It's even deducting here. I'm not playing any games here. You can see I'm trading live. If I win this trade, it will update itself. Check the balance. Check the balance. There it is. This is another winning trade. So guys, let me just cut the video. So I'll keep on doing the same thing again and again. I'll be making the profit. So guys, I think I'll need to, because now that my account is big, I can actually make a lot of money from it, because I'm going to start the trades of $50 each. Anyway, let me cut the video. You can also check the party 2 of this video. I'll just simply pause the video here. I can actually stop it. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I'm sure you managed to see that trading can be very easy with a good mentor. So on this strategy, there's nothing much that you can learn about. All you need is my parameters, and to get the parameters you must email me. I've put my email address on the screen from the beginning of the video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe so that you get more and more videos in the future. Also subscribe and like the video, guys, so that I can be motivated to share a lot of things. Thank you again for watching, and enjoy your trading.